Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix error code -59 when edit video on Davinci Resolve. Firstly, go to Preferences. Navigate to Memory and CPU. Now, uncheck GPU Processing Mode Auto. Uncheck GPU Selection Auto. Click on Save. Restart Davinci and see if problem is fixed. If not, go back here, lowering the Limit Resolve Memory Usage. Lowering the Limit Fusion Memory Cache. Click on Save. Restart Davinci and see if problem is fixed. If still not working, go to Device Manager. Double-click on Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics and pick Properties. Click on Driver tab. Click on Rollback Driver. Follow the instructions, then restart your PC and see if problem is fixed.